Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts, welcome back to another mind-blowing episode of our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the mind-boggling world of blockchain technology, the digital superhero that's revolutionizing the tech game. Now, picture this, imagine a super secure, mega transparent, and utterly unbreakable digital fortress where information can't be messed with. That's the blockchain for you. It's like having a never-ending storybook made of blocks, but not the Lego kind. Each block is jam-packed with cool transactions, like virtual high fives and digital cupcakes. And guess what? These blocks link up to form an unalterable story that nobody, and I mean nobody, can edit or mess with. It's like your nosy sibling can't rewrite history in your precious diary anymore. But wait, it gets even spicier, my friends. Unlike those usual big-shot rulers we're used to, blockchain doesn't bow down to some single kingpin in charge. Oh no, instead, a bunch of tech-savvy folks run the show together. It's like a flippin' digital party where everyone's invited, and they all watch out for each other. So, even if some sneaky hacker tries to pull off a trick, the gang has to agree unanimously on it. Good luck with that, Mr. Hacker. And let me tell you, my tech-savvy comrades, blockchain flexes its muscles everywhere. Remember Bitcoin? Yeah, that's blockchain's superstar buddy. They team up for the ultimate money shuffling dance. It's like a power duo that's taking the world by storm. So, folks, there you have it. The lowdown on blockchain technology, the digital superhero that's changing the game. If you want to stay ahead in the tech world, you better keep your eyes peeled on this one. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this mind-blowing tech revolution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe bell to stay tuned for more mind-boggling tech content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of technology.